My first wall hanging, I will need some wool, a piece of cardboard and a pair of scissors. Now take this piece of cardboard and start wrapping your wool thread around the cardboard. Keep it still and start rounding it off. Do it for about 80 to 90 times till you get the desired width that you want. Once that is done, take some wool thread and secure it at the top of the bundle that you have got. Now start making the head of the tassel just like how I have done here. Now cut the opposite part of the bundle and even it out with the help of scissors. Now repeat the process and make how much ever tassels that you would like for your wall hanging. Once my tassel is ready, take a stick and paint it black. I got this one from a garden nearby. Now I have got these beads here. I got this packet for ₹30 and I'll use them to make my pom-pom tassels a little more flashy. Once the tassels are ready with the beads, tie them around the stick in a pattern you'd like. This wall hanging is just what I needed for my bedroom. The color combination is just so perfect to cheer you up every morning, isn't it? For the next hanging, you will need a hanger and some wool. Now cut long threads of wool and start making a bundle out of it. Now fold the bundle into half and tie it around the cloth hanger just how I have done it. Keep doing so until you are happy with your wall hanging. Now I'll just take some artificial flowers and decorate my wall hanging with it. The end result looks just so beautiful and colorful. I just love how the combination of yellow and blue has worked out. This wall hanging gives me such good bohemian vibes.